Time is not the same speed for every animal alive. Some of them see it slower. Your brain refreshes reality roughly 60 times per second, then stitches it into motion. Unistorfet as Heiligweiler. A fly refreshes 4 times faster. Your fastest swat arrives like a slow drifting wall. That is why the fly is always gone before your hand finishes its journey. Small bodies with fast metabolisms tend to perceive time more slowly than large ones. To a hummingbird, a flower swaying in wind is a slow, easily tracked target. Its wings beat 80 times a second, while its eyes keep the world perfectly stable. A dragonfly predicts where prey will be, not where it is, and rarely misses. Its success rate in the hunt is above 95%, higher than any big cat. Deep-sea creatures live the opposite way, in cold and slow, where minutes stretch out. A Greenland shark can live 400 years, moving barely faster than a walking pace. Some of them alive today were already swimming before your country existed. Turtles and tortoises run slow clocks too, and often outlive several human generations. A mayfly gets 1 day of adult life, but experiences it at high speed. That single day, at its perception rate, may feel far longer than a day to you. Even among humans it shifts. In danger, your brain records more, and time seems slower. That stretched feeling in an accident is memory density, not your clock actually slowing. Children experience time slower than adults, which is why summers felt endless back then. As the brain gets more familiar with the world, it records less and time compresses. So time is not one river. Every species is wading through it at a different speed. The fly is not fast. You are simply slow, and it has always known that. Next video. One more thing you have lived beside your whole life, seen properly for the first time. Subscribe, and it finds you.